Hey guys, it's Scott here, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to make a vision board for your YouTube channel, and you'll find inside why you'll want to do this. Hey guys, before we dive into the content, I just wanted to say, here is my YouTube channel right here. And if you're wanting to learn anything about making money online, and specifically affiliate marketing to fuel your income and your freedom, here is the channel. Please subscribe if you'd like to see videos like this. Tip the bell notification if you'd like to be notified, and please smash the like button if you find value in this video. Okay guys, now let's get to it. Step number one, study other channels in your niche. Now, if you've already started a YouTube channel, then you probably already know kind of what your competitors are, or other people in the same niche that you are. Think about them. Think about the type of videos they create and how they inspire you. What are the things you like and what are the things you don't like? Now, if you're a complete newbie, then what you want to do is you want to go to YouTube. So like my channel is about affiliate marketing, so I would just search affiliate marketing and start going through these videos. And you're not specifically looking at the videos, you're looking at the channel and then what type of videos are they creating. Step number two is get the Whiteboard app. So all you have to do is search on YouTube, AWW space APP app, click on that, and it comes up as this kind of whiteboard thing, which is super cool. So this is the example of my YouTube vision board. Step number three is to add your business name in the middle of this diagram. So I'm going to show you right here. Okay, so here's your app. You're going to create a box, add some text, put your YouTube channel's name. It doesn't have to be like the name you settle on. Just put like that's your YouTube channel. Step number four is write your overall purpose. So hopefully, as you've been studying other channels and studying your own channel, maybe you've been doing YouTube for a long time, or if you're starting just brand new, think of the best purpose, kind of your mission statement, and then this will help you fill out the rest of this whole bubble chart or vision board. I just want to say that creating a purpose for your YouTube channel is very important. It'll really help you stay on track and stay on the right topics to really help your audience. Step number five, add your core systems or add your core products that you're going to promote. Or if you're like a cooking channel, think of the 5 best recipes or the 5 best styles of cooking or 5 types of cooking, you know, whatever that is. Like, what do you want to be sharing on your YouTube channel? What are the main things that you like or promote? So for me as an affiliate marketer, I've got about 5 specific products that I love that I want to share with everybody. So what you want to do is you want to add a new box right here and type in here programs. From here you can add the text. So like for me, legendary marketer. So you're going to get these little lines right here, and you're going to connect this and connect that. Add all of your programs, your systems, your key content that you like and want to promote. So like I've got legendary marketer. Another thing I promote and like is HTA, high ticket affiliate accelerator. Those type of things would all go right there. Step number 6 is to add the tools that you use to fuel your business or your niche that you are in, and just type right here, create a box, and then add tools. Why do you want to do this? Because you can teach other people what tools you need to use to fuel the business that you're promoting. So affiliate marketing, it's so easy for me to relate because this is what I do. But tools, once again, I use ClickFunnels, so then I can teach people how to use ClickFunnels to then make money online. So I can do video tutorials about ClickFunnels. I can do video tutorials about how to set up an email address using Bluehost. I can teach people how to use ScreenFlow to help them with their YouTube videos to get traffic to their offers for affiliate marketing. Like the list goes on and on. Step number 7, add a tips section where you will create videos of tips on how to do whatever your niche is that are not a part of the systems or programs or are not part of the tools. So this is my vision board here that I just created yesterday. So I've got on here my systems and my offers. I've got the tools that I use, and then the tips. So I've got traffic tips. Okay, so I can go into how to get traffic on YouTube, Google, or Facebook, or I can even add Pinterest on there. And then mindset tips, and then of course business tips. So guys, that is the 7 steps of how to create a vision board. And I like that it's digital because I can go on here and check it out on my laptop anytime. But the reason why you want to create this vision board is to help you know what type of videos and type of content to create for your channel. Once again, we're going back to your purpose. Like, what is the value you want to share to your audience? What is your purpose for them? Now, if you can go and look at this vision board every day, morning, night, whatever it is, if you can look at this and think, okay, I can do a video about ClickFunnels, Bluehost, WordPress, Chirp, ActiveCampaign, GetResponse, ScreenFlow, that's just tools, okay? Now let's talk about the systems, the offers. Well, here's all the things that I like to promote. We can do Legendary Marketer, Build-A-Preneur, all just sort of things, and think of the things that you love that you want to promote. And then guys, you can do all sorts of videos on every one of these topics, and this can really map out your day, your weeks, your months, and your whole year of the type of content you need to create for your YouTube channel. And as you do this, this is your business plan. This will help you be effective, and you won't come to a screeching halt trying to figure out, what type of content do I need to create? But this will help you stay focused. It'll help you stay on board so you can be consistent on your YouTube channel. Okay, you guys, that is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please smash that like button and comment below if you currently have a YouTube business plan or vision board. I'd love to hear. And guys, if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe and hit that bell. And guys, I will see you in the next video.